Tired of drowning in irrelevant search results every time you Google something? Let's transform you from a casual Googler to a search master. Starting with the basics, the key to great results lies in using precise keywords. So instead of typing a vague query like recipes, try something specific like vegan chocolate chip cookie recipe. See how that instantly narrows down your results. Now, let's introduce search operators, starting with the OR operator. Typing vegan chocolate chip cookie recipe or vegan peanut butter cookie recipe will show results for either type of cookie, expanding your options. So to exclude a word, use the minus sign. Searching for vegan chocolate chip cookie recipe nuts will filter out any results that mention nuts, essential for dietary restrictions. Finally, let's explore the tools filter after running a search. Click tools below the search bar to refine results by time, usage rights, and even specific websites. The anytime filter is especially helpful for finding the most recent information, like news articles or updated recipes. With these simple techniques, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can find exactly what you need on Google. So start practicing and unlock the power of effective searching.